you can make the assembly without that part, and then you can in the finally when you're making the assembly, you can bring the part from the library. But one problem is there that sometime this library is a separate feature. Somebody who has the SolidWorks without library, maybe the library is not with his SolidWorks, so he will not open to your able to open your part. So that's why what we can do, we can take some part from the library, but we can save it as our own part. Okay, so this I want to show you how we can take. So I will take this part, for example, from the library 406 Woodruff key, and then I will save as my own part. Okay, that's what thing I want to show you. So just open the assembly, because in the assembly it will give you all the options for the selection. That's why we bring the part in the assembly. So we want the key, Woodruff key, go to the library again. So this is our library. So again, go to the ANSI inches and go, this is the keys. SolidWorks have the parallel key and the Woodruff key in the library. So this is the Woodruff key. Bring here. So he will ask you the number. So all numbers are here which are available. So our number is 406. Oh, this is 406. It has two options, with the full radius like this one, or like flat bottom like this one. Our key is full radius. We just select the full radius. Okay. So in the beginning, you just say okay. So the key will be there. So now right click on this, the name of the key, and make independent. So click on the make independent. So the save component with the new name. So you want any so it will save like your own component with a new name. So you can put it with any name. Make one folder where you are putting all your parts. So in the same folder you can put the key. Okay, and put with the same name. Let's say that we can put the name with the Woodruff key. Okay, so now like it's your own part. So if you want to open, so this was, I have saved it here. So this is my key. So like this one, any part. So you can make any gear, we'll study the bearing, anything gear, bearing, you can take from the library, design yourself, then save as your own part like this one. So then you can use in the library. So this was one thing. Second thing, after that one, okay, so the key is there, shaft is there. These are very simple, just make one washer, diameters are given, you can make yourself. Okay, this is also very simple. Outside diameter is given 26.9, inside diameter is given 19. Okay, but two things are there. The two cuts are there. This is for the aisle grooves. So 3 by 0.81 aisle groove is along the axis like this one, and second aisle groove is there for the 8 into 8.5 this one. So these two grooves you have to make. That's the only slight thing. I will show you the what is that one. It's up to you. So this part, the name of this part is what one? This is bushing. So this is simple bushing, but it has two cuts. That's the main thing. So otherwise, one method you can make simply two circle and extrude, and then make this cut here, cut this one, and second you have to by the revolve cut. Otherwise, simple is that one. If you can do like this one in one step. I started like this one. I made this sketch. Okay, these two diameters are given, and I made this cut in the main sketch here. The width is given you 8, and this is given you 0.8, and distance from center to here it is given you 10. So this from center distance is given 10, the width is 8, and the depth is 0.8. So all these dimensions are given. Outside diameter is given, inside diameter is given. So I made this one in one step and then I revolved. So that way after the revolve, this cut made automatically. Otherwise you can make one simple, after making that one, you have to make some rectangle of this size and then you have to use revolve cut. So but this you can do in one step like this one. Second is simple, this cut is simple. Just make the simple sketch. Select this surface and these two dimensions are given, just make and cut through all. Okay, so this was the part number. We have finished the simple parts. This is the nut. Nut you can take from the library, but I want to show because especially this nut, exact this size is not available in the library, and that's why he has given all this dimension for the nut. So I want to show you how to make a nut yourself. And there's a standard method. If you remember the standard nuts we have studied in the fastener chapter. So in the fastener chapter, if you go, the specification of this, how to make a nut, something are standard. So you can use that one. I think the fastener chapter, this is chapter number 30. So this is, I think, page number 614. So this is the for nut and both things. This is common. This is the standard one. So what is the standard one? This is the head is standard one, that you have to make this 30-degree angle, and it should be the tangent. Okay, and this angle is 60. So this is standard. So how to make this one, I will show you by using the dimensions that are given to you. So we are given these dimensions, that the size across the flat 24, depth is 9, and so see how I'm making this one. So select the top plane. Okay, and this is simple hexagonal command. You can use this hexagonal. Okay, dimension are given you between this one and this line. It is given you, it should be in millimeter. This is in millimeter. Okay, okay. So first thing is this line should be horizontal. Make this line horizontal, and then give the dimension between this line and this line. It is given you 24. Okay, then extrude. Extrude is given to you, if you see here, 9. This is 9, this is 24. And the remaining is only you are given this 30 chamfer. Okay, so we have to extrude 9. Okay, for making this standard chamfer at angle of 30 and this is 60-degree, that I want to show you. This is something interesting. So select the front plane, make it normal. Okay, this is the front plane. You can make it slightly bigger. Okay. Okay, so draw two center lines, one from this corner going to this corner. Select the point. Okay, so the angle is given to you. The angle between this line and this line is 60-degree. Angle, all sides are equal, or angles are also equal, 60-degree. Okay, see, it is fully defined. After that one, draw an arc, same center, this is the center. Start from this edge and then go to the next edge. Again, this arc is only for the giving some relation. So this, we will select this one. We will make construction. So construction, it will become the same like center line. And then see, this is the tangent. Make it tangent to the top edge. Okay, so this we have made, this arc we have made, and tangent, this arc with tangent is to the top edge. So this is the arc we have made, this tangent to the top, and then we have to draw this, basically the chamfer, but the standard chamfer at an angle of 30. So we have to make this one. So just make simple one, simple rectangle only. Simple rectangle, we can make this is a simple rectangle. So the angle is given from here to this side is given you 30 degree. And the remaining is the relation. This line should be tangent to this arc. That's why we have done all these things for this relation. See, it is fully defined. So our sketch is only basically this triangle. Okay, so now we want to revolve this triangle. For revolve, we need center line. So draw one center line here at the origin. Okay, so now we want this one revolve cut. Okay, select the center line. This is our center line. So this is the standard method for making this chamfer for the nut and bolt. Both nut and bolt are same. Last is just make one circle. Again, if you want, you can use the whole wizard. And it is given to you M16.2. Just select M16.2. This one, go here, M16 in the metric, M16.2. This one, position, select the origin. Okay, let's. If you cannot see the threads, go here. Where is this one detailing? This is shaded cosmetic threads. If you need same thread that I showed you, you can also do. First make only hole with the 16, and then you can cut this thread by using this also. If you want the same thread, you can also cut here. That looks like more real one. So this is the nut that you have done. So what we have finished remaining is this two part. This is simple. We have already done in the simple thing is that this is the base sketch. You just make the quarter one. Similar we have done in the, I think week number 3. Just make this arc, this straight line, quarter sketch, then do the mirror, then do the mirror. That's all. And then you can make this simple extrude. This is also very simple. You can make only with the one revolve command. Same like this, the shaft. Diameters are given. This is 22. This diameter is 16, and the last diameter same for the threads, 12. And the lengths are given. You can make the, you can revolve. That's all. I can show you. What is this one? This is pin. So this is the first sketch I made. Same like shaft. The diameters are given and the lengths are given. Just put this for 5 dimension, revolve, you will get like this shape. Then you can do the chamfer because there is a chamfer. Here is the fillet. You can put the fillet. Okay. After that, there's a cut. Simple cut. This is dimensions are given. This cut is 3 into 1.5. So make this cut 3 into 1.5. So make this. Okay, 3 into 1.5, and then 3 is the width, and then cut depth 1.5. Winning at the threads, again it's up to you. You can make cosmetic thread, or you can make the same thread that I told you. Threads dimensions are given to you, 12 into 1.75. So you can. Okay, so last is the bracket. This is the bracket. I will show you how I made. It's up to you. First I made the base. Face. Either you can make the half sketch and then do the mirror. Even it's more simple. You can just do the quarter sketch. One draw another center line here. Only 2 dimensions. This 16, this line, and this arc. That's all. Make the quarter sketch. First do the mirror like this one, and then do the mirror other direction. So you will get this sketch. Holes also you can put, because the center of the arc and the center of the hole are same. So it's better you can put the hole also in the same sketch. So you will get this one. Then on one side you make this, all dimensions are given. Radius is given, this height is given, and the depth is given. Extrude. You can make the hole also by the hole wizard, same M12. Okay, after that you can do the mirror. Another side and put the fillets. So that's all. This is the all parts we have finished. Okay, so these are all the